Open Instagram app and tap on your profile photo. Now tap on this 3-bar icon and go to Account Center. Now go to Personal Details. Next, Account Ownership and Control. And the second option is for deletion. Tap on it and tap on your Instagram account. Select Delete Account and tap Continue. Now choose a reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. Enter your password and tap Continue. And it says when your account will be deleted. Now tap Delete Account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. That's it guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.